is from Boyle class. Can we welcome learner Dzulfikar Indra K. With the title After Rain Comes Sunshine. Time is yours.
Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, masyukurillah, alhamdulillah. La haula wa la quwata illa billah. Rabbi ishrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli amma ba'du. Dear God, thank you for sending me a precious moments and great people around me to feel the significant miracle of life. Dear God, thank you for sending me as friends who always build up my confidence day by day. Dear our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness, from stagnant era to the cleverness, namely Islam religion, the true religion in this world hereafter. Dear all my respected teachers, Mr. Fahmi as our business professor today, and then Brother Hussain. Where is Brother Hussain? As the chief of Moonlight Meeting and for master of ceremony, I cannot thank you enough. It is very nice time for me to share something necessary about turning point, but it is only the theme of my speech, and the title is After Rain Comes Sunshine. Inspiration and motivation is a needed color for life. It becomes the reason someone, perhaps and perhaps. Okay guys, I need to ask you, who did get the same topic, the same theme with me? Is there anyone here? Raise your hand. There is no? There is no? You get it. What is the meaning of turning point? You get it? Okay. In this occasion, I am Indra. I'm going to try to explain. I'm going to try to give you some example. I would like to try to give you some illustration. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, everyone must have been faced with a situation where in front of them there are choices and many are closely related to what is the wishful thinking of one's life. Wishful thinking will become a version of new thoughts that can make a person anxious about his life. This happens a lot to young people who start worrying about how their lives will be in the future. It is not even rare to find parents who are not spared from this case. I believe that we have all been faced with a problem that can make you down. But never mind, it is normal because the definition of life is a problem. If you don't want to face with that problem, so the life. At present, in front of you all, I would like to give you some example. You know that in front of you, I faced with a problem. No, this space, it is my problem. Even this is our problem also. Alright? Yeah. How can I say like that? Because the problem is a solutions to deal with this situation and benefit knowledge and experience, or you can choose to avoid this problem and regret it later. So, actually, today I bring something in front of you. Yeah. This one is a big bottle, and this one is a small glass. You have known this. So, all of them, you can imagine that all of them is a person. Yes. The owner of it have a reason to make it. Of course, the reason from a big bottle is if you want to fill this one with some mineral water, you can accommodate a lot of mineral water. And mineral water, I imagine for you that there is a problem. So, right now, imagine yourself that the owner of you, the owner of us is our mindset. The owner of us is our spirit. The owner of us is our struggle today. So if you face with some problem, don't avoid this situation. So you can improve your mindset, you can improve your struggle, you can improve anything else that can make you to be better. So if you in the future will be someone, you have been a good person, you have been amazing people, that if there will some problems come to you, you are a big battle. You can accommodate a lot of problems in your life. Alright? Yeah. And last, the conclusion from that all of them is a necessary event that can take people from a downturn to living conditions after finding a turning point to new spirit, new enemies for his destiny to be better. After rain comes sunshine. It's me, Alam Dzulfikar Indra. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.